Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best electric clothes dryers that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have the laundry alternative Nina Soft Spin Dryer. The Nina Soft Spin Dryer has a dynamism when it comes to its slick design. It is easy to move around when you are done drying your load since it has a handle on its top and you are guaranteed that your load will be dry in just 3 minutes. The machine's whole quality is at its best, making it simple and easy to use. Moving on at number 4, we have Costway Electric Tumble Dryer. The Costway electric clothes dryer weighs 37.3 pounds and has a large capacity of 10 pounds which can hold a lot of laundries. The weight makes it portable enough and you can install it on the wall or floor. Its installation is easy and it will dry your load fast and efficiently. At number 3, we have Magic Chef MCS Dry 1S 2.6 CU Laundry Dryer. When it comes to electric clothes dryers then, this is the ultimate electric dryer that you may need for your home. It has a capacity of 2.6 cubic foot and the inner drum is made of stainless steel. The transparent view allows you to see the progress of your laundry and has a swinging door. At number 2, we have Kenmore 65132 7.0 CU Electric Dryer with Smart Dry Technology. The Kenmore 7.0 has Smart Dry technology which allows it to perform its tasks effortlessly. It can dry any type of load regardless of the size and type of material. Has a depth of 43 inches which allows you to put as much laundry as you need. The Auto Dry use an integrated thermostat to control the temperature. And finally at number 1. Magic Chef MCS Dry 15W Laundry Dryer. This laundry dryer has been developed using the highest form of technology. It holds a capacity of 5.5 pounds of laundry and has 2 drying temperatures so as to ensure that your different fabrics are well taken care of. It requires a voltage outlet of 110 volts and it is considered to be energy efficient.